Hello friends, welcome to Kamartha. So this is Bank X expiry. The question is where the market is open. That's where we interested. We take the trade. So as of now, it has to be gap down as per as Jix Nifty. Not huge as the other YouTubers and everywhere in the websites we are seeing whether it is a live mint or money control. I don't think so. Yes, there was a war. It's not a war actually. Israel attacked. You don't know how the market reacts or where it opens. But as of now, looks like flat to gap down. Okay. So if it opens around, this is Bank X 57,500, I would like to take a bullish stance. Whereas if it is opens around gap up 58,422, then I would like to short. So it has closed somewhere in the half. So if the gap down also, it should open at the lower part. So it is should be a buying scenario. Okay. So as per the charting, see, I'm not saying our chart is the best. Usually it works, and since the market condition is very harsh on the bearish trend, uh, usually what we put is like this. In the last US market, I have seen this usually. In fact, to be precise, it is like this, and I will put double chart. The colored one is our back tested one. This colorless is can happen. I'm not saying the probability of this is less, so I will make it as a double. This is a bigger. We are not expecting more than this. So what's price we'll see? We'll see option chain Bank X. They have taken, in fact, 50,000 means bullish stance they have taken, and oh my goodness, it is costlier. It's costlier, boss. So you have to wait for some time for price action. Something like 2,500 should be a good price to start trading. It is at the money. It is even put though it is cheap. It is costlier. Okay, so we will wait. For the sake of the thing, we will add 58,000 as our uh, both CE and PE. I'll put it because where it opens. But this would be our strike to trade. Okay, fine. What else? Mid cap index is also tomorrow expiry. So again, as I told, it is a gap down. That's okay. As usual, I say if it is opens around 12,343, I would like to buy something like 58,575. I would like to short it. Okay. All in all, this low is a good one to take a. I'll make it as a golden level. Yeah. To buy actually, not rather than the short. Again, our usual thing. The chart goes like this. I know we have taken 2 to 3 days earliest chart, so I'm not sure whether it will go such a bullish. They say no negative too much or too many negatives are big positive, and those who are saying we cannot survive without FIIDA because retailer investors are dragging the market and the DAs are supporting them. So these are Gen Z post-COVID traders. Those are still ignorant about the FII. I know FII is sold one of the highest holding since post-COVID, they say around 1 lakh crore. Uh, that's the power of them. You cannot ignore them, whether you like it or you don't like it. And the funda is there. This one starts pre-market. See, I have been in the COVID market also in the crash. I am a trader since long time. I have seen it how it happens. When you open gap down, you don't have a control. especially those are positional one. That's why I shifted to intraday. So at least don't carry the things. If you carry the things, you don't have a control. Though you may say I am hedged or whatnot. See, you cannot hedge your future with the selling call. It is like chullu par pani. Because your profit is limited, boss. When it is a gap huge, you have to book the loss or the rollover. Rollover is nothing but you are realizing loss only. That month, this one you are realizing and you are shifting to the next one, whether it is next month or after that month. So it won't give the hedging. Huh? So for that you have to have the profit, means you have to hedge it with the put buying only, where the profit is unlimited. But again, where the theta decay comes. These are all bullshits. That's why I'm saying you cannot ignore them. They will make smart money smart way. Pre-market and post-market is for them only, where the play happens. Yesterday I was seeing Mr. Pierre Sundar's video where he's told in pre-market itself is they have hammered IndusInd Bank, unlike Bajaj Motors. Bajaj Motors also day before yesterday, I mean 2 to 3 days back, it was almost 10%, but it was not opened in the circuit, whereas the IndusInd Bank, which dragged the bank nifty in the just while opening only, because in the pre-market only they hammered and it opened with the circuit. It seems I have not checked it. That's what he told. You can go back and check his video. So if it is so, that's the power of FPI and foreign portfolio investor and institution investor FII. So you cannot ignore them. They have a slight edge over the retail people. And even DA also cannot help them because of these things. So you should keep in mind. So which strike we'll take? Apart from those, we will not go into the those things. We will see our charting, because of forwards charting is superior. So if it opens around where it is closed flat, I would like to buy 12,343. So in the option chain, 350 maybe. Oh, they have taken 325. Yeah, sorry, 25 strike. No, correct it is. Slightly bearish they have taken for me. Still, this is reasonable compared to BankX. Okay, so still I would like to wait around 2000 for this. Yes. So for the sake of writing, we will take 12,325. 12,325. CE and PE. In such scenarios, gap down and gap up, or one of other YouTuber, I usually follow most of the YouTubers, just to see the thought process, what is the sentiment of the bazaar. There is some channel called Nifty Prediction where he says such gap down huge or the trending, when you are not sure, it is the best way to at least wait for 3 minutes 15 candle. It is too much actually. I usually say 3 minutes 5 candle or 5 minutes 3 candles should be good. He says 3 minutes 15 candle or 15 minutes 3 candle, he says. That's up to you how you take it. Because for me, if I wait that, as per my observation, I have done that. That's why I have modified. You tend to miss the one small trade, early trade, because the early part only momentum is there, as you know. And lastly, day after next day's tomorrow's is a finished expiry. It is also have got some edge or the other stuff. So this is its chart. If it opens around 23,575 or the 600, I will have to buy rather than shorting it at 23,850. Okay, so where it is closed, we have to see it. Just to add the thing, option chain I will go. Considering Tuesday expiry, this is cheap. I would suggest if you want to trade from first candle, 1 minute, one candle, you can use this. And mind you, I told no, day before yesterday's while the Nifty expiry was there, I have seen market is pre-market 2.8% down. 23,875 it opened. I have put one more short on those. You can check it. So in this expiry, it might come or the next expiry. That is for due for sure. That's my BAP national FIFPI. So if possible, go bearish only. but I stick to my study. So where it opens, because if it is opens below this brown line, irrespective of other chart also, I will short it. Yes. So before taking the thing, can you see that it is a very steep? It is a very steep upside. I don't think so it is possible. So even in the upside also, it is a better to short only as per the Nifty. Yeah, market doesn't run such steep. If run also, it doesn't hold. Can you see there? So at least from here you can short it and make red where it is ends. Fine. So our target will be, again, we will make it as a golden line. Again, I am not sure whether the market will come there. Somewhere here you can take a one reversal trade. Okay, around 24,000, 23,398, 23,400. Okay, fine. So we will not go into dig. If the Monday is bearish, the whole week will be bearish, and Monday bearish or whatever the trending happens. If bullish trend happens, it may not carry, but bearish trend, yes, because they have whole week, no, they will sell the option nicely. I will just add the which strike we will see in the option chain. It is a 23,750 CE and PE. 23,750 CE PE. So after 2 days, this one we are not going into thing. In fact, Nifty expiry is a grand expiry, monthly expiry. So it is a bit long video. I say trade wisely, invest carefully. Thank you.